Hi, it's Sandra, and today I want to do a manicure using one of the Box of Wonders plates from the Maniology Christmas box, and it is M531. And these are all like retro plates, and I think they're really cute. I really like them. And I want to use each of them in a manicure to show you the possibilities. Now, I am not a creative genius, so I'm sure that you will come up with better and more beautiful ideas than what I can. But I am just going to show you kind of the things that I came up with using some of these, actually 5 pictures. And there's so many possibilities with this. After I painted all the stuff I wanted to, reverse painted, I was like, oh my gosh, I could have used this and I could have used that. So there really is a lot of possibilities on these plates. There's a wide variety of things. So let's go ahead and start. And the first thing I did was I painted nails. And I have one here silver, one red, one gold, one white, and one green. And if you know anything about me, I hate regular white. So I always have some kind of white with some kind of glitter or I don't know, something in there other than white. And this one that I'm using here, in case you're interested, is by Cupcake Polish, and this is called King's Gambit and is one of my favorite whites to use. So those are the 5 colors that I picked, and I did reverse paint 5 images. The first one I did is the little train, which I think is totally adorable. I wanted to do at least one of the little signs, and this one is Merry Christmas, and it looks like a 50s sign. I decided to do the little tree with the lady hanging the tree, the star on the tree, hanging the star on the tree. And I wanted to do this wreath. I thought this was cool. We're going to put something inside of it. See how that looks. And then I did this TV box because there's actually little images you can put inside. So those are the things that I've done. I've reverse painted. So for the green one, I absolutely want this wreath. So I'm going to take this off and I'm going to put the wreath on here. Hopefully this is sticky enough. Okay, and then we're going to take an image and put it inside of there. And just in case you're wondering, so I am extremely frugal. I don't like to say cheap. And I used my stampers for a really long time. Well, it got to a point where nothing was stamping. And I was like, okay, what am I doing wrong? And it dawned on me that my stampers were so old, probably like years old, that I probably should get new stampers. So I did, and that actually took care of the problem. So just so you know, which you probably don't have the issue because you're smarter than I am, but after a while the stampers do wear out. They get really soft and they just won't pick up images. So it's a good thing to change those every once in a while. Okay, so here's some little images right here, and I want to do the snowman, of course. So I'm going to do the little white snowman. I thought about doing some of these words, but I don't think they'll fit. Oh, no, in this, that's going to be for the TV. I'm going to do, I'm going to see if the words fit in here. Maybe just holiday cheer. See how that looks. I think that might be okay in there. Okay. That's really cute. The little wreath. Okay, it's number 1. Let me get this cleaned up and out of here. I need some more square pads. Okay, now the next one is, well, I got this one that's just the words, and I think I'll do that on the, should I want to do that on the white? No, I think I'll save that for the little train. Let's see how this looks on the silver one. Yes, I think the silver one would be good for this one. And that just says Merry Christmas in that retro kind of look. All right. And then I think I'm going to do the white one here. The little train. Yeah, because that really shows up well. Let's move this over here. I don't know which way I want. Yeah, I guess I want to do it this way. I can't tell you what big of a difference it makes having these new stampers. That is so cute. I really like that train. Okay, and the lady with the tree, I'm going to do on the red. Right. And then the gold is going to get the little TV box. That fits really great on a nail. Okay, and then we're going to put something in the center. Now, obviously, don't want to do snowman. I'm going to do the Christmas tree, of course. I love Christmas trees. I want you to know that I had my house decorated November the 1st. And everybody, of course, thought I was crazy. But I love Christmas, and to me, it's just not long enough, especially for as much stuff as I put out. So it's really nice to have it up for a while when you put that much effort into putting it up. So let's see if I got a little stamper here. Little tree. Put that right in here. Could probably do a reindeer too. I think there's going to be enough room. We'll see. Yeah, there should be enough. Okay, so I'm putting a little tree in there. And I'm definitely going to put the little reindeer in there. Little brown reindeer. Do I have any brown out? Of course not. And here's a good one. Reindeer are notorious for being around Christmas trees, you know. So, I mean, this goes really well. Okay. So there's a little reindeer. Get all this other stuff off. I'm going to angle him in here. There we go. Now, I was thinking about putting snowflakes on this before I started, but I decided not to. And I think that's good because I do think these are really, there's enough in them, enough design in it to fill them. So I think those turned out really cute. I'm going to take my smudge-free top coat, put some of this on here. I don't know about you guys, but I go through this smudge-free top coat so quickly. Okay. I love these trains. I like them all, but I really like those trains. Let that dry for a couple seconds. Zoom this in so you can look at them. It zoomed in a little bit too much. Let's go back out a little bit. There you go. All right, let's put the thick top coat on top. And as usual, I'm using the same top coat I always use, and that's Glisten and Glow. I think when I first started stamping, they had just made, maybe not, but I thought that they had just made the smudge-free top coat available. I don't think you could get it on Maniology. I think you had to buy it. I'm not sure. But anyway, what a miracle this stuff is. Because without it, I definitely used to smear designs. Okay, so there we have it. And again, this is plate M531. So there you go. I hope you enjoy your holidays, and I will be doing videos on the other 3 plates that are from the Box of Wonders from Maniology. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.